I suggest you get good at promoting a particular kind of offer. Get good at promoting a particular kind of offer. And what that means is that it kind of goes back to, you don't have to promote everything, right? And and every day doesn't have to be a home run. So in other words, yeah, you could probably promote a software program that might be a little questionable, and you can make a lot of money on a particular day. But more than likely, if you have a subscriber list that you're growing steadily, right? If you sort of build that over time, a little bit at a time, and you look at affiliate marketing as a supplement, then what you're going to do is you're going to make an effort to make sure you understand what people are looking for. You want to find out what days they're likely to buy. So again, start thinking about if you're going to market, let's say, information products about CPA marketing, then get good at promoting those offers. Get good at building your list on those offers, right? Get good at understanding what those people buy. What kind of bonuses do those people like? So again, they're gonna want a different kind of bonus than, let's say, a PLR buyer is gonna buy. They're gonna want a different bonus than a software creator is gonna want. They're gonna want a different bonus than, let's say, an offline marketer. Get good at promoting specific kind of offers. Understand what kind of bonuses they like. Understand, this is really important. It's subtle, but you do have to understand it. When you develop a relationship with the people that are going to be on your subscriber list, you will start to figure out whether or not you need to be positioning the product or the bonus in your either in your email or in your videos. So in other words, do the people on your subscriber list, do they care more about the bonus that you're giving, or do they care more about the product? And don't, what I will say is, don't become a holy roller on them. So in other words, well, they're just buying for the bonus. So what, right? If somebody wants to buy something and they want to get it just for the bonus, please, I've seen marketers, they sort of get, sort of in this little high and mighty state. You don't have to do that. It doesn't matter why they want it, right? Sell it to them in the way they want to buy it for whatever the reason is. And so if you know that the people on your subscriber list want a particular offer because of your bonus, then don't stop offering them, right? So again, understand whether or not you need to position the product or the bonus. If people don't care about the product, they're indifferent to that, then position your bonus. You need to understand how much pre-selling you need to do in an email. So that, again, this really does come back down to getting good at promoting a particular kind of offer, because once you do that, then you do understand when you're going to have to pre-sell. And what happens is, when you start getting all over the place, then what's going to happen is, your emails are not going to sound like a newsletter. They're going to just sound like a straight pitch. Nothing wrong with that, but you're not providing any value then, right? So again, how much pre-selling do you have to do in an email based on your knowledge of the product? I try to do this, and I can't even say I do it for, people that promote for us, or promote it for me, right? Get information in advance. Try to get it, right? Try to get the information in advance. Because what you have to do, you need a little time to kind of develop your promotion. So you need to understand what the product is about. If you can get a review copy, get one. It's not super important. I used to think that I needed a review copy, and sometimes I still will, so that I can review it and then figure out what the premiums are going to be. But I like to at least see it. Sometimes you can pretty much do it with the JVs sort of with their writing about what's in it, right? So if they don't have the product ready, don't really feel like you have to have it. It's not super important, but if you can get a review copy, get one. You want to know basically what's inside. That's what you really want to know. And then you want to focus on what's in there that will help people that are buying it. One question I always try to ask is there a particular part of this that's underappreciated? In other words, the marketer themselves don't really know what they've produced. In other words, they put this thing together, but there's one part of it that's really cool, and they didn't give it any emphasis, right? So it's underappreciated. Is there something in the package that's going to surprise them, right? So again, if you get information on that in advance, that's the kind of stuff you want to put in your promotion. Internet marketing is a very small community. And the likelihood that if you're promoting something that somebody else is going to be promoting it to, you do need to stand out, right? You do need to stand out. Is there something in there in the package that's not in the copy, right? Nobody's perfect, and some people leave stuff out. And you get in there, if you get a chance to see it, then what you can do is you can emphasize that thing, and you can emphasize what's in there in a way that other people are not. And what that's going to do is that's going to cause you to put some kind of additional premium or bonus based on something that's not in the copy. And that's going to make your bonus unique, right? So that kind of brings me to the other point that I really want to make, and that is to find premiums. Find premiums, really and truly. Bonus incentives matter. They do, right? And so I think you do need to spend money up front to have nice premiums, right? So if you're going to be involved in internet marketing, you're going to be involved, you're going to build a list, go ahead and spend some money for some nice premiums to give people, right? Make sure you get the rights, the rights to it, but go ahead and spend some money because if you want to make money as an affiliate marketer, then you're going to have to create some value. And sometimes the only way to create that value is, you can talk all day long about the product, right? You can do sales videos. You can tell them how it's going to make their life wonderful, and none of that's going to matter, right? Sometimes the only thing that really matters is the incentive you give them. Try to purchase bonus. And when I say premiums, I mean bonuses. Try to purchase things you know people in your niche are not going to have, right? Try to find something that right, you found this thing and you just have not seen them on the bonus page. Try to buy those things. And sometimes you can go and buy them from people, and you don't really even have to buy them in a launch or anything like that. You can just kind of go ask them and then give them a price for it, right? So I do that all of the time. I'll go to someone and I'll say, hey, you know what? I want all of this stuff. How much for it, right? How much for it? And again, somebody's probably going to say, no, you're crazy. Here's my sales pages. But sometimes people will say, you know what? I'll give you all this stuff for X, right? So again, try to buy the things that you know people in your niche won't have. If you're buying something from a membership, just consider this. More likely, a lot of people are going to have the same bonus, right? Just so you'll know. So there are a lot of great memberships. I'm part of them. But the bonuses are then going to be common. The affiliate will sometimes give you bonuses that you can use. Don't rely on those, right? Because again, if you think about it, everybody's going to see those on somebody else's landing page. So don't rely solely on the bonuses that the affiliate gives you. I think I just said this. Make sure you understand the rights you're giving. So just because you got the rights doesn't mean you can pass on the rights. Typically, sometimes even the master resale rights certificates don't necessarily mean that you can pass on master resale rights. So do what you can to understand your rights. Do what you can to then understand what rights you can pass. This is really important, actually. And because you want to pass on the rights in the right manner to the person that's going to be buying, and you don't want to devalue your own promotion. Right now, if you're gonna have bonuses and they do come with some kind of graphics, in general, if you have time, redo those graphics. Right, so if you want to redo the e-cover, redo the banners. Right, if you have time, redo all of it if you have time. And this also goes back again to writing every day, number one. Number two, getting stuff in advance, right? So if you get stuff in advance, you're going to have plenty of time to put together a decent promotion. And also, if you're not dependent on every promotion that comes in your niche in order for you to make your money, you can pick and choose the ones that are really going to, first of all, make you the most money, and second of all, are going to really benefit the people the most. And typically, those are going to be one and the same, right? The things that people benefit for the most by, right, are probably going to be the things that are going to make you the most money as an affiliate. So you want to be thinking about that. And if you have to, again, if you're dependent on that affiliate money to make your goal, you got to change the equation so that your decision making will be right. Okay, anytime you're going to add a bonus, it ought to fit the angle you're taking. So if you're gonna take the angle that, hey, you need to take this and you're going to run your own plumbing, business, right? Let's just say that that's the angle you're going to take. Then all your bonuses should be in line in helping that person run their own plumbing shop. Your bonuses should fit the offer you're promoting. So in other words, this is you're promoting a Facebook Live product and you've got a YouTube Live bonus. No, please don't do that. Products that people have purchased in the past, right? It should fit the products people have already purchased. If you know they like stuff, or if you know they like a certain kind of stuff, then listen, that's the kind of bonuses you want to be in the business to buy. And then you want to pass that stuff on to the people that are going to be buying through your affiliate link. Buy the stuff they like, right? Buy stuff they enjoy. And I like using the word enjoy. I don't like using the word need. Right? If you're an affiliate marketer, do you understand what we do is not, it's really so much about, I'd say enjoyment, right? At some level. And so you want to picture your client or your customer enjoying what it is you're going to be promoting, what it is you're going to be buying. Think about the fact they're going to be enjoying it. And when you start thinking about what kind of bonuses to add to something, right? Think about the kind of thing that when they get it and they download it, it's going to be enjoyable. Not, oh, do they need it? And now are they going to, they're going to use it, and, using it, needing it, that's great, right? Those are good talking points. And most people don't buy because of what they need, right? They don't buy the thing. None of us buy the stuff we need. We buy the stuff we want, right? For whatever reason. So try to think about stuff that people are really going to enjoy when they get it.